Hi guys, for this video I'm going to show you how I trim my pilea because some of them are tangling down, so it needs to be trimmed. So come join me and let's do it, guys. With my Sasha over here. She's my assistant. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna do this one first, guys. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to you so that you can see it. Instead, I can do this, but I don't want to hurt the body of my pilea. Like that. I got the garbage can here. I'm gonna make it pretty again. Oops. You're just gonna take the tangling one, but some people like it like that so that it curves like a ball, but I want it like tall and sharp. There, that's perfect. And then that's enough now for this one. I can take this out. This one. That's what you do to your plants. You're gonna give a tender, loving care. Mostly the indoor plants, they really need that. So look at this now, guys. Looking very gorgeous again. That's done. So I have another one here. This pretty one. Let's start with this. This is Asia. Are you going to help Mama? Very easy, guys. How's that looking? Look at that, guys, now. Very gorgeous. Now I can put that back in the middle. And then next is this one. I got lots of pilea, guys. This one's not much, but perfect. Look how gorgeous again, guys. Nice, eh? And then last one, this one. Pretty. So that's simple and easy, guys. If you wanna trim your pilea, just have to do what I did, and then it's gonna be healthy, and then it's gonna grow like it's like a little tree like this one. So I hope you get an idea, and I will see you again in my next live. Bye.